Hey y'all, so on my other phone, I was trying to make some space and it accidentally deleted TikTok. And you cannot download TikTok anymore in the United States if you got an iPhone. Yeah. So this is my medical phone that I'm on right now. If I can figure out a way to transfer this stuff over to my regular phone, then I would. But this is like, oh my God, this is horrible, y'all. Anyway, I finished my hair. Y'all like it? Anyway, let me continue so I can show y'all the pancakes that I'm making with the sweet potatoes. And y'all know it's only 2 ingredients. The ingredients is sweet potatoes and eggs. Saw this recipe on Facebook. Let's see what it do. It's a more healthier alternative, so let's see. So this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to cut on my little hot plate and we're going to see what it cooked like. There are my first 3 sweet potato pancakes. I'm really excited to see what this is going to turn out like. And I'm also a little sad that TikTok is off of my other phone. Oh my God. Oh, this is terrible, y'all. This is terrible. But thankfully, I had it on 2 of my phones, so I don't know. I hope they change that because, dang, you know. All right, y'all. Looking at the pancakes. Let's see what's going on. Look like they cooking like, hey. I am so excited to see what this is going to turn out like because sweet potato pancakes, baby. Sweet potato pancakes? For real? Yeah. Ba-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da-da-da-da. Da-da. 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 All right, they look pretty good. So I'm gonna make the last 2, and yeah. When these are done, I'm gonna make my bacon, and I'm gonna let y'all know what these taste like. Okay, so yeah, I'm finna finish cooking these last 2 pancakes, and then I'm gonna make my bacon. But I'm gonna taste one of these pancakes in a second so I can see how they taste, y'all. Okay, so I got my syrup because I still like syrup. But we're gonna see what this sweet potato pancake tastes like. Okay, so my opinion on the sweet potato pancakes. They tasty. They taste like the sweet potatoes, but you have to cook these a lot longer than you do regular pancakes because the outside will be cooked, but the inside will be kind of like a little mushy. So I would advise to cook them longer on cook them longer, maybe on a lower heat or something. I don't have that capability because I'm cooking on a hot skillet. So, but yeah, I got 2 more in there, and I'm gonna make these cook a little longer and see what that's like. But yeah, y'all, don't know until you try it. So yeah, that recipe is alright. They just a little mushy to me. Like, I'm finna put these back up in the skillet because I don't like mushy pancakes, baby. That's like leche cake. I don't like leche cake either because I don't like mushy cake. Cake that tastes like somebody just took some milk and threw it in there. I don't like that. No. So yeah, I'm cooking the ones that's in here longer. So if I could see if that, changes the way the pancake tastes, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, this ones that's cooking longer look a little better to me. See that? See that there? Now, once it cook a little bit more on the other side, then I'm gonna try that and then see what it do. Trial and error, baby. Trial and error. Don't know unless you try. Okay, so I got another one out the pot, and I hope I cooked it long enough because, my goodness. I'll be when you be trying something new. Oh, I must knock the plate down. My bad. Ooh, it's hot. Okay, y'all, so I'm back with my opinion on the sweet potato 2-ingredient pancake mix recipe. Okay, so them 2 ingredients, the sweet potatoes and the eggs, that's not enough ingredients. You need at least a little bit of flour because without flour, sweet potato pancakes taste like okra. It's crispy on the outside and mushy in the inside, slimy. I don't like that. The only way to make this recipe taste remotely good would be to add a little flour. Pancakes just ain't pancakes without flour. I don't care how it look. That's what I see with a lot of vegan recipes when they be making tacos out of zucchini and stuff. Like, it may look like taco or look like spaghetti, but it definitely don't taste like it. And so, yeah, the sweet potato pancakes, it tasted like sweet potato, but it was mushy in the inside. Even when you cook it longer, it still just gets softer in the inside. I guess that's okay for people that like puree. But the only way this recipe would satisfy me is if I just added some flour, because without flour, a pancake ain't even really a cake. It's more like a mushy puree crisp, or it's only crispy on the outside. And even after I cooked it longer, it got a little, more to the texture it's supposed to be a little bit, but not really. It still tasted like mush. I don't like that. I will say, if I ever make this recipe again, I definitely will be adding to it like stuff like flour. I mean, you need flour in a pancake. All right, y'all, that's my view on that. Hope y'all liked the new hairdo. I like it, baby. And I'm just going to be cleaning up, reading the word today. And, I do got a couple of things I got to do today. I got to go get a report. And, dang, yeah. All right, y'all, talk to y'all later. Bye.